today we will start chapter 7, cubes and cube roots. Now first we will study about what is a cube, perfect cube or a cube number. So number, for example, it is 1. So we can write 1 as 1 into 1 into 1, that means 1 raised to power 3 is equal to 1. And 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 or 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8. Similarly, 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 27. So, a number that can be called as a perfect cube when its factor multiplied by 3 times, it gives the same number, and the factor 3 factor should be same. So, the number will be a perfect cube number. Now, here is another example, number 9. 9 can be written as 3 into 3 or 3 square. It is not a perfect cube because in perfect cube 3 same numbers are multiplied with each other. So it is not a perfect cube. 9 is a perfect square, but it is not a perfect cube. Now we will study about the patterns in cube numbers. So first, adding consecutive odd numbers. By adding consecutive odd numbers, we can get a perfect cube number. So you already know that what are odd numbers: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, up to so on. There are many odd numbers in a number system. So we can write 1 cube as 1. 2 cube is 8, or we can write 8 as 3 plus 5. Now both 3 and 5 are odd numbers. 3 cube can be written as 27, or 27 can be written as 7 plus 9 plus 11. Here the pattern is that the cube of 2 ends at 5. So we will start the next cube number, that is 3 cube, from the next odd number of 5. So the next odd number to 5 is 7. So we will start from 7. So 7 plus 9 plus 11. Next cube is 4 cube. It can be written as 64, or 64 can be written as, we will start from the cube odd number next, which is next to 11. So that is 13. So 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. So cube numbers can also be written as sum of odd numbers. So next topic is prime factorization. So prime factorization, we will study the prime factorization with the example of number 64. First you have to make the factors of 64. So therefore the factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Same as when in square numbers you make the pairs of 2 numbers, but in cube numbers you have to make pair of 3 numbers. So first 3 pair, the first 2 into 2 into 2, this is first pair, and second pair is again 2 into 2 into 2. Now the number 2 can be represented as triplets. Triplets means it can be represented as group of 3 multiples. So this is a perfect cube number. 64 is a perfect cube number because its factors can be represented as the triplets of the its factor, triplets of the its factors. So, or you can write it as 2 cube. Here it is 2 is given 3 times, or you can write it as 2 cube. Now if we have to find the cube number of 64. So we will write it as one number from this pair multiplied by one number from this pair. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So 4 is a cube of number 64.